Pakistan-sponsored terrorists continue to create mayhem in India's Jammu and Kashmir. However, the Indian security forces are successful in foiling their attempts of creating instability in the Union territory, which is peaceful since the abrogation of Article 370. Let's see how the Indian security forces are countering these dreaded terrorists to maintain peace and tranquility in Jammu and Kashmir.
Scrapping of Kashmir's special status under Indian Constitution on August 5, 2019 has rattled Islamabad. It has hurt Pakistan's anti-India propaganda in the Kashmir Valley. Unfortunately, Pakistan-backed terrorists continue to infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir and are trying to target civilians and the security forces. The people in Kashmir Valley are up against these terrorists and are helping the Indian security forces to crack down on terror hideouts. In recent days, at least 6 terrorists belonging to different Pakistan-based outfits were neutralized in different operations launched by the security forces. They were belonging to terrorist organizations like Hizbul Mujahideen, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, which are active in the Kashmir Valley. Large quantities of arms and ammunition were also recovered from the encounter sites.
Our security forces are there still on top, and any such incident which these terrorists are trying to create mayhem will be met with definite action in which these terrorists will be killed. This should be a message for all those people who are still holding on to the guns and listening to Pakistan's diktats, that now the time has come to leave the guns, surrender and come back to the mainstream.
Jammu and Kashmir has faced decades-long violence perpetrated by Pakistan. To maintain peace and development, the government of India has given a free hand to its security forces to eliminate terrorists operating in the Union territory. Experts believe that Pakistan is playing the religion card to win solidarity of the Kashmiris, a Muslim-dominated region, but the malicious designs of Islamabad are well exposed.
Locals, Kashmiris also do not support Pakistani terrorists as much. That is why you see the number of encounters and number of terrorists that have been killed. Hurriyat has lost its traction. So Pakistan has to understand that Pakistan will never get Kashmir. Kashmir kabhi nahi banega Pakistan. That is to be understood very clearly by Pakistanis.
Pakistan is not only instigating violence in the Kashmir Valley, but is continuously violating ceasefire at the line of control. The aim is to help terrorists easily infiltrate into the Indian territory and also damage villages along the border. Residents in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir have been living in constant fear due to frequent firing along the border from Pakistani side.
बहुत ज़्यादा डर है। हमारी एक सिस्टर की डेथ हो चुकी है और 3 पाकिस्तान की फायर से, और 3 जो हैं मेरी मदर और छोटी सिस्टर ज़ख्मी, और हमारे मकान को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचा है। इसलिए मेरी यही सरकार है कि पाकिस्तान को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो जितना जुल्म और सितम कर रहे हैं हर बार और हर वक्त जब फायरिंग होती है तो फिर इंसान बेबस हो जाता है। क्या कर सकता है इंसान।
Pakistan occupies a large part of Jammu and Kashmir since 1947 and misuses the territory by providing training to different terror groups. It is believed that training to these terrorists is being provided by Pakistani army and spy agencies, the ISI and military intelligence. On 29 September 2016, India conducted surgical strikes against terror launch pads across the line of control in Pakistani-occupied Kashmir and inflicted significant casualties. If Pakistan fails to stop sending its terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir, more surgical strikes are likely to happen.